In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use NordVPN in 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have a fast, secure connection and the most useful features configured, without any guesswork. First, sign up and download the app. Head to NordVPN's website and pick a plan that fits your needs. Longer plans usually bring the monthly cost down. Once your account is created, log in on the website and open the Downloads section. Choose the app for your device, whether you're on Windows, Mac, iOS, or Android, and start the download. Run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts. It's quick and straightforward, but if your device asks for permission to install, go ahead and allow it so the app can be set up properly. Now open the NordVPN app, sign in with your Nord account details, and you're ready to connect. For the fastest start, click Quick Connect. This automatically picks a nearby reliable server to get you protected right away. If you want to appear in a specific country, for example, to access region-specific sites, select that location from the map or list. You'll see a status indicator once you're connected, and from here your internet traffic is encrypted. Next, let's dial in the best features in just a few minutes. Open settings by tapping the gear icon. Under connection, set the protocol to Nord links for the best speed, or leave it on automatic if you prefer the app to choose for you. NordLynx is optimized for performance and is a great default for most people. Under security, turn on the kill switch. This is essential. If the VPN disconnects unexpectedly, the kill switch blocks your internet traffic so your data isn't exposed. You can enable it at the app level, choosing which apps are blocked, or at the system level to cover everything. In general or protection, enable threat protection. On desktop, you may see Threat Protection Pro. This helps block malicious websites, intrusive ads, and trackers, adding another layer of safety as you browse and download files. If you want secure, private connections between your own devices, click MeshNet. This lets you link devices under your account for encrypted, direct access, handy for private file sharing or remote access without exposing services to the open internet. Make sure the devices you connect are authorized and under your control. Finally, go to Dark Web Monitor in Settings. Add an email address you control, and you'll get alerts if it appears in known data breaches, helping you act quickly. That's it. Sign up, connect, and configure. Keep your app updated, reconnect if you change networks, and enjoy a faster, safer internet experience.